How to fix Facebook Messenger keep loading error. If you're experiencing issues with Facebook Messenger on your iPhone where it keeps loading and you can't access your messages, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through several easy fixes to solve this Messenger loading issue. So let's get started. First things first, let's make sure your internet connection is strong. Sometimes a weak Wi-Fi or mobile data signal can cause the Messenger app to struggle with loading your chats. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Now, let's start with one of the simplest fixes: force quitting the app. Sometimes apps can freeze or get stuck. Restarting them can solve the problem. If you're on Messenger, simply swipe up and clear it. Now, let's check if there's an update available for Facebook Messenger. Updates often include bug fixes that can solve common issues like this one. Head over to your App Store. Simply search for Messenger. And if there's an update available, simply update it. If force quitting the app and updating didn't help, let's try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often clear up app or system glitches causing issues like this. Simply turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Once it's rebooted, check Messenger again. Now, if Messenger is still stuck on the loading screen, your next option is to uninstall and then reinstall it again. Simply tap and hold the app until minus appears. Simply tap on it and simply click on delete app. And after you've done that, simply go back to App Store and download it. Now, if none of the previous steps worked, it could be issue with your iPhone's operating system. Let's check if there's an iOS update available. Now go back to General and Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install to make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. And there you have it. These are the most common solutions to fix the Facebook Messenger keep loading issue on your iPhone.